This proof by deduction question featured on the AQA AS Specimen Paper 2, but there's no reason why it couldn't appear on the other exam board's papers. It says, given that n is an even number, prove that 9n squared plus 6n has a factor of 12. So if n is an even number, then we need to know that this can be written as 2 times some other integer. Because we're doing proof by deduction algebraically, we're going to write it as 2 times k. You could choose another letter if you wanted. The question asks us to consider 9n squared plus 6n. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this new form of n and we're going to substitute it in. So we're going to do 9 times 2k squared plus 6 times 2k. So substituting n into the formula. We can now expand and simplify this. 2k all squared is 4k squared, and 6 times 2k is 12k. We can then times the 9 by the 4, and we get this. The question talks about a factor of 12, so let's take out a factor of 12. That seems important. And we get 12 times 3k squared plus k. Because it's 12 times something that must be an integer, 9n squared plus 6n must be a multiple of 12. And we know if something's a multiple of 12, then it must have a factor of 12. And therefore, if n is an even number, n squared plus 6n must have a factor of 12. At the end here, I'm essentially rewriting the question, but that gives the examiner the idea that you really know what you're doing and gets you that final mark of the question.